Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to unbox and review the ACEPC AK2 mini PC. In the box, you'll get an HDMI cable, a power adapter, a user manual, screws, bracket, and ACEPC AK2 mini PC. This AK2 mini PC is a sleek, modern, and compact computer with a mid-range Celeron processor, 120GB solid-state drive, 6GB DDR3 memory, Windows 10 Professional 64-bit operating system, support for dual displays at 4K Ultra HD, and modern connectivity options. This mini system offers options for DIY storage expanding through the internal 2.5 SSD or HDD, up to 2 TB. The USB 3.0 port by adding an external SSD, HDD, or by adding up to 128GB SD card. Windows 10 Pro 64-bit comes pre-installed on this machine and you can start using it straight away. The built-in graphics card is the entry-level Intel HD 500 with a video card benchmark score of 310 at the moment. And it would be adequate for the usual daily graphic stuff like web browsing, video streaming, and playing the simple non-demanding games at acceptable settings and resolutions. It is promoted as an intelligent mini-computer with the auto power on and wake on LAN. You can use this PC as a mobile office computer, a light PC for presentations in schools, meetings for projectors, and exhibitions. It supports dual 4K UHD high-resolution displays through the 2 HDMI ports. You can't expect to perform very difficult tasks like multimedia editing or playing demanding games. But as a mini desktop PC for your daily tasks, it works very well and comes with a good range of connectivity and user-friendly features. We think that it is great value at the current price level.
Human mistakes are almost inevitable and happen every now and then. The trains had to leave the station in reverse. This costs valuable time, which is why the government decided to transform the train station into a transit station.
You're gonna tell us everything you know.
I'm not telling you. How many pages was that letter?
18 pages!
18 pages.
Front and back!
Front and back is correct.